Hi, I'm Jia. Today I'm making Korean fried chicken, 닭강정. I guess everybody loves chicken. Plus, everybody loves fried chicken. Today, I'm going to make Korean style fried chicken. And for today, I'm using 1 piece of chicken breast and 1 chicken thigh. First, I'm going to cut the chicken in a big bite size. Cut them. Okay, I cut them in 5 pieces. Put back to the tray. And the chicken thigh. Okay, to put it back over here. And I'm going to season with sprinkle some salt over my chicken like this. And some ground black pepper. So it has been about 5 minutes. So I'm going to flip my chicken like this. And once more, lightly season with some salt and pepper. Okay. Set this aside for at least 20 minutes. I'm going to make a coat, the dry coat for the chicken. The first one that you can see here is frying powder. In Asian market, you can find the frying mix. So I'm going to use about 25 grams of frying powder. And next to it, I have a potato starch. So the potato starch makes the chicken very crispy. And then here, I have rice powder and baking powder. So I'm going to mix all of this in one bowl. So make sure they're all well mixed. And then, along with the chicken, I'm going to put this aside. Now, I'm going to make a special sauce for my 닭강정. Of course, the ketchup, tomato ketchup, dark brown sugar. This is rice wine, sweet chili sauce, strawberry jam, and this is Worcestershire sauce, and gochujang, Korean chili paste, and a little bit of water. So, combine first water and rice wine to it. Worcestershire sauce goes in here. Dark brown sugar. I'm adding sweet chili sauce to it. Gochujang. Gochujang sauce. Strawberry jam. And the ketchup. All the ketchup goes in here. So here I have sauce, I have dry coat for my chicken, and the chicken with some salt and pepper. Okay, I heat up the pan, the pot, with enough oil, about 3 cups of vegetable oil. So how do you check the temperature of the oil? I normally use my wooden chopstick. So put in the oil, and you can see a little bubbling. It means that the temperature is perfect for deep fry, which is around 200 Celsius degree. Okay, now I'm going to coat the chicken. I'm going to double fry them. The first fry to make sure that the chicken is cooked, and I'm going to take them out from the oil, higher the temperature a little bit, and then in the second fry, make sure I have nice brown and crispy. Sure. Okay. I'm cooking in a medium heat. Doesn't look enough crispy, but don't worry. I'll show you the technique how to make really crispy. Okay, from now on, I'm going to higher the heat just a bit, not too much. And then in a higher temperature, again, throw all the chicken in the pot. Let me check my chicken again. Okay. Okay. Turn off the heat. The chicken is ready here. And from now on, I'll continue finishing with the sauce. Okay, in the pan, no oil. I'm just adding all the sauce that I made to the pan. Okay, so when it's really bubbling like this, see, I'm going to add my chicken back. So fully coat them with the sauce. Okay. I'm turning off the heat, and then I'm going to plate it. Okay, this is my 닭강정 recipe. Please try this. Thank you for watching and meet you next time.